What is this? Wait. Soap. Oh, box of rewards. I feel like I need a reward. Just for being here. I think I need it. Look. No, it's strawberries. Oh my goodness, is this not the cutest thing you've seen in your whole life? You've probably seen so many of these in your life, it doesn't even matter, but it's so cute.
So many glitter.
I know. It's a square. It's so cute.
No? Okay. So you don't need anything. Yeah. No one needs anything. You just want it.
Are those hair ties?
Yeah.
It's so adorable. No. There's so many cute things. Oh my goodness, there's even pink cute things.